Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to buy Robux with Visa gift card. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to purchase your Robux using a Visa gift card, you will first need to redeem the Visa gift card as a Roblox gift card. Then convert the resulting credit to your Robux. So simply open your Roblox account, and once you do this, visit roblox.com/redeem and log into your Roblox account. Now under the redeem button, you will see an option called get Robux or convert credit to Robux depending on your credit balance. Now simply you will receive a confirmation screen. Select the buy or convert to Robux option to complete the conversion. After doing this, your Robux balance will be updated after refreshing the page or navigating to a new one. So by doing this, you can simply buy Robux with your Visa gift card. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.